Logistics is important because it supplies goods to the consumers and businesses. Goods need to be delivered on time for the business to remain operational. The persons involved dito sa warehouse consist of different personnel. No? Meron tayo ditong mga supervisors, meron tayo ditong mga trackers, may drivers, helpers, and sometimes may mga consumers din na pumupunta. I graduated as an industrial engineer, and after graduation, I actually started as a dispatcher. No? So basically, alam ko yung proseso sa baba papunta sa taas. As an operations manager for Logistikus Express, basically I manage the whole operations of the business. This includes incoming orders, preparation of orders, deliveries, up to return of those orders back to the customers. Logistikus Express operates 24 hours a day. The preparation of orders happens the night before of the scheduled delivery date. The dispatch is as early as 4 a.m. up to 7 a.m. Maraming challenges sa logistics, tulad ng acts of God. For example, may mga riot that causes delays sa deliveries. Isa rin dito yung vehicle breakdown, including yung flat tires. Isa sa mga solusyon is you have to maintain the trucks properly. We assure na may proper schedule ng maintenance ang trucks natin. Dumadaan to sa mga mekaniko bago pa man to ibiyahe 24/7. Yung mga trucks natin, madalas bumabiyahe yan na full truck capacity load. So ngayon, kailangan namin ng mga dependable resources. I suggest na as early as possible, bumili na ng high quality tires, which is highly affordable of course, pero in the long run kasi mas makakatipid tayo. Hindi lang kasi mga goods and equipments and materials na dinideliver namin ang nakasalalay doon, no? Nakasalalay din doon yung buhay ng helpers, drivers, no? And may mga naghihintay din kasi na pamilya sa kanila. So kung medyo low quality yung tires natin, baka magresulta pa to sa aksidente. With high quality tires, ma-maximize namin ang output namin, ma-minimize namin ang mga problema, secure ang mga goods, and most importantly, safe ang mga empleyado namin.